Honestly, I was curious if you were as creative in real life as you are online. So far, you are exceeding expectations. I actually tried one of your AI animation tricks yesterday. I thought it would take 5 minutes. It took me 2 hours to get the character to blink properly.
That means you are officially part of the AI Creator Struggle Club now.
I'm super excited to share with you how to apply seamless lip sync to your characters in bulk for free. So this means no more generating videos individually. This means no hard work. We're going to do all of this for free in bulk, and I'll show you how you can easily apply lip sync to all your characters. So let's dive right into it and show you how you can do that. I want you to follow along step by step and make sure that you don't skip any part, because everything I'm about to say is really important. So without further ado, let me show you how to get started. My idea was as simple as turning one of my images into a 2D cartoon style character and then adding another female random character so that I can use in my creation. The whole concept was about the two characters meeting in an Italian restaurant in order to talk about some cool AI stuff. Step 1 is using Flow AI, since it's the most recommended platform by Google for generating images, plus it is also free using the latest model of Nene Banana. And so my next step was creating the base image of the restaurant before injecting the characters into the image. And after generating the image, in order to start adding the characters into your scene, what you want to do is simply click on the plus sign within the text box right here, and then you're going to find a little upload arrow at the end of the search bar. Click that and then import your character sheets, and then they're going to become part of your assets. Once you're done, as you can see, I have both characters. I'm going to select both, click on the plus sign again, click on the second character, and now I have my characters ready. All I needed to do was simply just pasting the prompt, and I made sure that I clicked on the drop down menu right here. A couple of selections that we need to make sure of. First is we need to make sure that the aspect ratio is landscape, and then select Nene Banana 2 in order to guarantee that we're generating images for free. Next, you're simply just going to click on the generate button, and you're going to have the image ready within a matter of seconds. So the end result was this. After injecting the characters, this is how the image looked like. And now you can see how amazing both characters fit perfectly into the scene. Step 2 is using our base image to generate something called shots. And what this means is that we're going to generate different camera angles and views to make our videos captivating and engaging to our audience. And for that, I used Higgsfield AI, specifically the shots application within their website. I'll leave all the links in the description and in the comments below, so you can instantly click on all the links and get started and follow along with me step by step. Once you land on the Higgsfield website, what you want to do is click on the upload to upload your base image, and then you're going to hit generate. Even if you're on the free version, do not worry about that, because it's only going to cost you 4 credits, and typically the website provides you with 10 daily credits for free. Once you hit generate, Higgsfield is going to generate 9 different shots and different camera angles, as you can see, and you just have to pick the ones that work best for you, download them to your computer, and then move on to the next step. Step 3 is bringing all those images to life and applying a seamless lip sync to our characters for free in bulk. In order to do that, we're going to use Grok's website, and then what I want you to do when you land on the website and make sure you're logged in with your email, the first thing you're going to do is simply click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner. Then you're going to click on settings. Then you're going to click on behavior, and then you want to make sure that you have enable automatic video generation turned off by default so that it doesn't generate videos automatically and waste your credits. Next, you're going to click on the Imagine tab on the left panel to make sure that we're on the right page. And then we're going to need our incredible Chrome extension in order to generate all those video clips in bulk and apply the lip sync within all the motion prompts. The extension that we're going to use is called Grok Automation, and it's available in the Chrome Web Store. Again, all the links are going to be available in the description and in the comments to make sure that you're following along. Once you have the extension downloaded and installed, you want to make sure that you pin it into your browser, and then you're going to head back to Grok's website. In order to activate the extension, we're just going to click on its icon right here, and then we're going to follow the steps to make sure that we have the right settings. First, under control, I want you to select frame to video. The concurrent prompts is going to be 1. The prompt delay is set to 30, so don't play with that. And here is where we're going to upload our scenes and our motion prompts. I clicked on the upload button, and now you can see all my scenes are numerically ordered as scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so forth until the end. Make sure that your scenes are also labeled exactly the same so they follow the motion prompt, and it would be easier for the AI to map your scenes with your motion prompts. Then you're going to select all your images, and you're going to click on open to make sure that they're all uploaded, and then you're going to grab your motion prompts and paste them into the prompts section. And for that, I already have it generated by ChatGPT, so I'm just going to copy all the scene prompts right here. And the cool thing about the structure of my motion prompts is that I made sure of a couple of things. One is that it's going to generate the narratives in each prompt. Two, we're also going to get rid of the irritating music that is generated by default by Grok. So this has all been taken care of. You're not going to have any irritating music. You're going to have a clear and seamless lip sync to all your characters in your scenes. Once you've copied your motion prompt, you're going to go back to Grok and paste your motion prompts in here. Then you're going to find all scenes are queued and are ready to be generated. You also want to make sure that you have auto change file names so that when videos are downloaded, they're going to be labeled correctly with their scene numbers. Next, you're going to scroll all the way up and then you want to click on settings. You want to make sure that the default mode is set to frame to video. The model is set to default. Everything is as is. And then the output video per prompt should also be 1. And then you're going to scroll to the bottom where we need to set the location of where our video clips are going to be downloaded. And so what we need to do is click on the gear icon right here. There we're going to make sure that we toggle off where it says ask where to save each file before downloading. And also click on the change button to locate the files where they need to be downloaded. Click exit and then go back to the Grok website to make sure that the extension functions properly. And then you're going to scroll all the way up, go back to control again, scroll all the way to the bottom and then hit run. And you're going to have your video ready in a matter of minutes. So if you want to take your AI videos to the next level and add a seamless lip sync to all your characters, then I would highly recommend using my master prompt, which I'm going to leave a link to in the description as well as the comments below. All you have to do is simply just copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT or any AI assistant. You will instantly get a prompt that works exactly how you wanted. It'll create stories for you. Unless you have a specific idea, then go with your idea for sure. But also make sure that you follow the structure of my master prompt, because the way how it is designed, it includes the narratives and the way to get rid of the irritating music in Grok. So be sure to stick to my master prompt because this is the go-to creating a seamless lip sync to all your characters. And before we see the video in action, if you want to dive deeper into the bulk operation, be sure to check out my free playlist on my channel. There are 4 videos in the playlist, so be sure to check them out because they're going to teach you a lot when you dive deeper into the AI bulk operation, where I'm going to show you how to generate AI images and videos for free using different extensions so you can have a backup of extensions when something wrong happens with one of them. You're also going to find a video that's going to show you some pro tips to help you level up your creation skills, and then another video that shows you how to use the Flow website instead of Whisk, since Whisk is going to be shut down by the end of April. And finally, there's also a video that's going to help you extend videos in Grok for free. So be sure to check them out when you have some time and consider those as a master class that's going to help you advance the level of your creation using AI.
I am really glad we finally met in person. Talking about creative ideas online was fun, but this is way better.
Honestly, I was curious if you were as creative in real life as you are online. So far, you are exceeding expectations. I actually tried one of your AI animation tricks yesterday. I thought it would take 5 minutes. It took me 2 hours to get the character to blink properly.
That means you are officially part of the AI Creator Struggle Club now. Wait until you try animating hand gestures. That is where the real chaos begins.
You are not going to believe this. My AI character suddenly started dancing instead of talking. At least now I know my AI has personality.
Great. Next time, bring the dancing character to dinner with us.